The P2111 trouble code indicates that the throttle actuator control system is stuck open. Modern vehicles use an electronic throttle body instead of a traditional cable. When the engine control module detects that the throttle plate is remaining open when it should not be, it stores code P2111 and may limit engine performance. Common symptoms of AP2111 code include an illuminated check engine light, unusually high idle speed, reduced engine power, poor throttle response, hesitation, and limp mode activation. In some cases, the vehicle may be difficult to control because the throttle plate is not operating correctly. The most common causes include a failing electronic throttle body, excessive carbon buildup around the throttle plate, damaged wiring, faulty throttle position sensors, poor electrical connections, or issues within the throttle actuator motor itself. To fix AP2111 code, begin by inspecting and cleaning the throttle body for carbon buildup. Test the throttle actuator motor and throttle position sensors, and inspect all related wiring and connectors. Repair costs typically range from around $100 for cleaning and minor repairs to over $1,500 if throttle body replacement is required.